in under 30 seconds, please introduce yourself. Tell us who you are and what you do.
All right, I'm Gagana. I mean, we already discussed the name part. I work as a QA manager in a company called Data Nimbus Technologies. We have integration platform as a solution, majorly focusing in fintech, but the solution fits in multiple various different data and AI-driven solutioning is what I would like to say. So all these years, I've had quality and those kind of things that my work has contributed in the tech side. So I'm here looking forward where I can bring the same quality in the product side and the customer side to it. That's why the whole journey which is leaned from QA to product and the transition side of it.
1 year from now, aspirationally, career-wise, what do you really want to do? Is it transition into product roles like you said, or do you want to advance in your career, or do you want to start your business or your venture?
I think it's a bit of all. I wouldn't want to stick to just saying that I just want to transition or I want to be a product manager. No, those all comes as part of the whole package, I guess. My main agenda is that when I look at myself, where do I stand 2-3 years down the lane? I mean, 1 year I would still give it too early. 2-3 years down the lane, I would want to be the person who changed the way things work or make some kind of impact at wherever I'll be working or whatever I'll be working at. With respect to the whole way you look at a product and the way you bring things, I want to be that person who will bring in that change, no matter how small or big. So I'm looking forward to that side where I know that I can see myself one fine day. So I'm in the process of taking whatever steps that will help me get there.
Awesome. Executives choose our program for multiple reasons. What are top 2 reasons why you chose our Executive MBA program? Was it the one-on-one mentoring that you would get over here, or was it the peer network that you can network with, or is it the AI-led curriculum, or is it the career assistance that is provided by our institute?
Majorly, I would say career assistance and a bit of everything that you mentioned, because I get everything as a perk to the career advancement, right? So knowledge is a vast sea that you can never have it all in one go, and it's never enough, right? So whatever I'm working, I might like some things about it, I might know some things about it, I might research some things about it, but getting more knowledge and getting it hands-on and with actually the best professionals out here who are like real industry people and not just a teacher or a mentor, but who pretty much will be your guiding light right now. That gave a whole new perspective to me. So I think I would like to tell that, where it will really help me for advancing my knowledge along with the help of so many people and so many perks that comes along with it, which is mentorship, which is the AI-driven, the product labs, the coming to college and getting your hands-on experience and networking. Of course, that's also like a cherry on the top. But yeah, all of this together would really make an impact.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, cool. Thank you so much.